Hey guys, it's Alice here from Supporting Her. One of our missions is to prepare partners so they can be great supporters during labor and birth. And today we're going to talk about something that I hear all the time when couples experience birth and they're telling their stories. I often hear this phrase: we never used anything that we packed for birth. And it just makes my head explode, like one of those emojis. Why? Why does this happen? And I think I can figure out, because I have attended over 300 births myself as a doula. I can see this happening where you enter your birthing space, your hospital, the birth center, and you bring your bags with you and you put your bags in the corner and you're busy with in birth as a supporter, as a team, and you forget about your bags. Maybe you grab a snack from a bag, but you just forget about all of the thought and all of the tools and things that you packed for labor and birth. So I have a really easy solution I want to share with you. Here we go. When you get to your birthing location, make sure that you unpack your bag. I know, super simple, super easy, but there's a little catch. I want you to unpack your bag so that you can see all of your tools. Like, find a spot, find a location, a table, one of those rolly tables, one of the sides next to a sink, wherever you are, that you can unpack your tools and think about it like those scenes in a spy movie, where someone is coming in to torture someone and they have like a big set of tools that they unzip and they take everything out just for dramatic effect. You don't have to be that dramatic when you unpack your bag, but take your bag of tools. So I really think it's great to pack everything that are your tools for birth. And when I'm talking about tools are things like maybe an essential oil, a massage tool for labor, lip balm, any of those kind of things, maybe a tennis ball, things that can help provide physical comfort during labor. Pack them in a little kit like this, like a little toiletry bag, a little DOP kit, so that they are all together, and then you can just grab it from your big bag and start unpacking it just like those spy movies. And you'll be ready to go, because once you see everything out, you're going to be more likely to use them. And you'll have quick access to things. When you need lip balm, your partner needs lip balm, you can grab it. When you see those massage tools out, you're going to think to yourself, I packed them, how about giving a massage? So it's going to be a great way for you to provide great support in labor, and that's what we're here for at Supporting Her. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and press like, share it with someone, put a comment and let me know if it works. Thanks guys. See you next time. Bye.